Hello, good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Brightland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 4. This is a part 2 video for the chapter 1 input, output, and storage devices. Okay, students, today we will discuss about input devices. The devices through which we enter data and instructions are called the input devices. The most commonly used input device is the keyboard. The other input devices are mouse, trackball, and light pen that do not require typing to input data. These are called pointing devices. We can select any items on the screen by pointing and clicking on it. First, we will discuss about keyboard. A keyboard is used to enter data and instructions into the computer by typing. A standard keyboard has 104 keys, which can be divided into 4 groups: typing keys or alphabetic keys and numeric keys, function keys F1 to F12, navigation keys just like arrow keys, home and page up, page down, etc., and control keys like control, alt, window logo key, and escape key. Students, who is he? He is Sir Christopher Latham Soles is regarded as the inventor of QWERTY keyboard layout. Second device, mouse. A mouse is a handheld pointing device with 2 buttons on its top. It is used to control the movement of a pointer, to select the objects, and to open files or folders. A mouse is also used to draw pictures. Students, who is he? He is Dr. Engelbart is the inventor of the computer mouse. Let's know more about mouse. A magic mouse is a multi-touch mouse which was designed in 2009. Next device is microphone. A microphone is an input device which is used to record voice, music, and sound into the computer system. Sound cards enable a computer to record sound input from a microphone connected to the computer. Let's discuss about more input devices like touchpad. On a laptop computer, the touchpad is used instead of a mouse. It is a touch sensitive pad. We can control the movement of the pointer on the screen by moving the finger on the touchpad. Second, touch screen. A touch screen is a computer screen which is sensitive to the touch. We can select the objects directly by touching with the fingers without using any pointing device like tablets, laptops, ATM, and cell phone. Next, light pen. A light pen is a pen like pointing device. It is used to select objects on the display screen. It is quite similar to a mouse, except that it allows the users to point to the objects displayed on the screen or to draw directly on it. Light pen is used only with CRT monitors. Okay, students, Thank you very much to watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.